Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to make TikTok videos save in your gallery without posting. So first is you just have to open your TikTok application on your mobile device. And then after that, you just have to create a post. All right. So you just have to click on this plus button at the bottom center of your screen. And then after that, you can now start recording your video. So for example, we are going to record a 15-minute video. All right, and then after that, you just have to click on the checked option. And then after that, you just have to click on the next option. All right, or you can also click on this arrow facing downwards to see the save option. All right, so when you click on it, you have this save option. So you just have to click on it, and then you have three different options right here. So you can save this with watermark, so you don't need to upload this video or to post this to your account. But you also have the choice to post this without watermark by uploading this one to your story. So for this one, since I don't want the watermark, I'm just going to upload this one to my story, and then it will be automatically added to my gallery. So once you have a copy in your gallery, so you just have to go to your story and then delete the post. All right, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.